Here's a quick update to my 3D printer build. This is the second video. So first of all, I built the frame out of the Mizumi extrusion and everything came together really well. The only problem that I have is that the open builds extrusion is slightly longer than it should be, but that's alright, I'll just cut it. And the linear motion with the V-slot from open builds and the V-wheels is really fantastic. This is really sturdy and very rigid, and it only moves along this axis and moves very smoothly. So I'm really happy about it. I can pick up this whole frame with just this piece of extrusion and it still glides this nicely. So yep, it's really great stuff. I'm going to take this apart and actually build it with the real corner brackets. These ones are just 3D printed, but I just wanted to see how everything would work and come together. I also tested the motors that I have just to make sure that everything worked. So here's the X and Y motors and the Z-axis motors, and here I have this ramps board that actually works and I happen to have, so I'm using that for testing, and I also have a power supply right here. So if I move the X-axis, you can see that that works just fine, and the Y-axis, perfect. And I could only plug in one Z motor at a time because of the size of the connectors, but you can see that this does work just fine. And both of them work. So I'm really happy with it so far. All the motors work just fine. I have some electronics to use while I'm waiting for my 32-bit board, and the frame is looking pretty great. I just have to cut some of the open build stuff. So that was my second update. Thanks for watching.